How to send fresh flowers in the mail. Sending fresh flowers in the mail is possible. It is even likely that your flowers will arrive just as fresh and beautiful as they were when they were packed. Fresh cut flowers are an ideal gift to send for any occasion, be it Mother's Day, Easter or birthday. Florists do ship fresh flowers through the mail, and you can too, using a few simple packing techniques. Things you'll need: lightweight wooden box, cotton batting material, tissue paper, fresh cut flowers. Obtain a lightweight wooden box at any craft or home store. A wooden box is sturdy and can withstand the pressure of going through the mail. A cardboard box is too easily damaged. The box should be at least the length and width of the fresh flowers you are sending. The height of the box should be only as tall as the flowers, with only enough room on both sides for packing material. This prevents the flowers from moving around during shipment. Line both sides of the wooden box with a cotton batting material. This material can be purchased at most fabric stores. Place enough batting on both sides of the box to secure the flowers, but not so much that it crushes them. Place a sheet of tissue paper over both sides of the cotton batting material. Arrange the fresh cut flowers side by side in the box. Do not place the flowers on top of each other. The blooms of one flower can rest on the stem of the flower next to it. Pack the flowers close together to prevent them from rearranging during shipment. Place the lid on top of the bottom half of the box. Tape the two sides of the box together. Address the box and ship the fresh flowers through the mail. Tips: warnings. Let the fresh flowers stand in a vase of water for 2 hours before putting them into the box, to allow the stems to soak up plenty of water to keep them vibrant during shipment. Do not sprinkle water on the flowers before shipping, as this can cause mildew.